In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create Bot Autofeeds. You can use this for ping when you start getting trusted partnerships. You'll need to start by going to the dashboard on the Bot website. You'll see at the top of the page that it has the website there. Next, we'll navigate to our AutoFeeds tab in the side panel. This is where we will create our ping or AutoFeed post. Click Create New AutoFeed. We'll want to select the channel that it sends to. Then in the message box, you would type or paste the message you want posted. Next, we'll select the date and time that we want it to post. This is in a 24-hour format. For this one, we'll set it for a couple minutes from now. Then we'll select the role we want it to ping, if any. Lastly, select how often you want this to post. Typically, it's once a week, or every 7 days. Now you can see that your AutoFeed was created. It will display all the details of the post, the time and date, what role it pings and where, etc. Now, if we check Discord, you can see that Carl has posted our message for us. It even tagged the role that we selected. Awesome! You've created your first AutoFeed.